I hate you too. We're not gonna cut the tree down. Just show you exactly what we're cutting. Cut. Alright, so get all this out of here, but we're cutting that one today. Didn't get the other tree I cut on camera, so see how this goes. I'm gonna grab the stand, set you guys out here, go back and get the saw. Actually, I'll bring the saw and the stand. Well, I'll just bring the stand out here and then set you guys out. Got my gloves and the saw up, and we'll get started. So, hopefully it didn't fall over like last video. Yeah. Or stop playing itself, that too. But I have no one video, but so you get you out of harm's way and see what we can actually do here. Let's try setting you up there and just zoom in. See if we can actually do that. This is my neighbor's tree over here, so he wanted it cut down. So I'll go and grab my gloves. Go ahead and sit down here. Yeah. Here, I'll bring you out there. So this, got my gloves, chainsaw, so I don't grab my phone. I don't mind if it's in the grass, but just don't know where to set you guys. So can you see? Yeah, can you see? Okay. So I'm using my collar, obviously. Camera, so yeah, I love it. So go ahead and get on this side of here. got the other tree I cut down on camera. See, are we still recording? Yes, we are. 5 minutes already. Okay, so that should be good. Go ahead and start cutting. Trees down. So, yeah, one to go. One down, one to go. So I'm going to go ahead and get this tree off there, and it's probably a nice view. And then try it again. I'll make a separate video of the other tree because I'm going to go ahead and cut this up. Cut that little stub down. And, yeah. It's a nice chainsaw, I mean, for free. Can't beat that. Just had a little car cleaning and tuning, and, well, there you go. So, tree's down. So, yeah, I'll talk to you later, tubes. Or YouTube, whatever. Alright, bye.